Okay, so to work our single crochet in the front loop only, an easy way is you can turn and look at your V's. The one that's closest to you, this loop here, that's closer to you is your front loop. So you want to insert your hook under there. You kind of go at a 45-degree angle to easily catch the loop without catching the back loop. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Again, just kind of go at a 45 and you can see that I missed that back loop completely. Yarn over and pull through. So at a normal speed, once you get that catch down, this is what it's going to look like. But again, you're going for the loop closest to you. If you need to, turn it towards you until you get it and pull through both. So that is the super fast single crochet in the front loop only refresher. If you need to actually learn how to do this nice and slow, check out my video for single crocheting in the front loop only, and thank you for watching.